Guys, this is a video that is generated from text on AI. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your text into a video on AI. So first of all you have to search for GenCraft in your search bar, and then when you land here you have to select this first option, and I will be putting the link in my description box so you can easily access it. Here you can see that if I land here I have to click on sign up and login, and then use my Google account to log in. I will come back once I'm done. Now you can see that I have logged in with my Google account, and I will just skip these options and cross these extra things. Now you can see that here I have to select video first because I have to create a video. You can create images too. Now there's this description box where you have to describe what kind of video you want. I will be writing for example that how butterfly flies or butterfly is flying, anything like that. I am writing butterfly is flying right now, and then you have to select a style, what kind of style you want. I will be choosing 3D, but you have more options, for example anime and all. I have selected 3D, and then you have to click advanced settings and scroll down, and here you will just ignore this option. But if you're generating an image there will be more styles and options. Now I will click this generate button, and it will take some time and generate my video for me. Just wait, and then you can see that the generated video of mine will be done in no time. It might take a while, so I will be back once I'm done with it. Now you can see that it has generated my video that I will be showing you. You can see here are some butterflies that are flying. This is a video, and if you scroll down a little bit you can see there's this option of download where you can download this video and use it wherever you want to. This is an AI generated video. I hope you liked the process and it was easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.